Recently, there was some mandatory fun, which was not fun. We saw that we were in trouble when they rolled out the 99-cent hot dogs. But anyway, this is going to be better than that. We've got the two data sets. We want to stack them up to see who did cooperate and showed up for the mandatory fun. But we've got an issue here. Notice department and DEPT. Those need to be lined up. But what happens when we append and those don't match? Let's do it with our cursor in the data set. Data from table/range. You know how it works. Here is our list 1 query. Close and load. We're going to close and load it as a connection. Only create connection. Okay. Then we need our list 2 query from table/range. List 2. Now, rather than going back into the worksheet, I'm going to stay in Power Query to do this append. I'm going to combine append queries as new, because I want a third final query as opposed to merging the two that are already here. Leave list 2 as our primary table. Append list 1. Okay. Power Query has made columns for both abbreviated department and fully spelled out department. How can we solve that? Let's go to list 1 and then change this to DEPT. DEPT. Enter. Notice the renamed column step. That's important here. Now, let's see what happened in append 1. Everything is all lined up. Now we can close and load this to the workbook. That is everybody who showed up for the mandatory fun and the 99-cent hot dogs.